Hello guys, this is Shubhadeep. Welcome to my channel. So from this tutorial we will start a series of KQL. Okay, Kusto Query Language. Okay, so uh, why it is used first of all. So Kusto Query Language is similar to SQL, but the thing is uh, it is extremely fast for analyzing massive datasets. Okay, so there are some syntax like pipe that makes queries easy to read, and it is excellent for filtering, aggregating, time series analysis, and log investigations. And basically it is widely used in Microsoft ecosystem. Okay, like Azure Data Explorer, ADX, Microsoft Fabric real-time intelligence. Okay, Azure Monitor and log analysis. Okay, application insights, so like this. So it is a very important, so we'll start from here. Okay, so for that first what I have to do, we have to go to here, this one. You have to go to this website. So Microsoft gives this website free for to use. Okay, to practice KQL. So here you can see you have to fill this up first. You can put anything, and this cluster location will be on Asia. Okay, so click this one and sign in and create cluster. Now you have to select a Microsoft account. Okay, so here you come. So from here you have to click on this query and click on this work offline. Okay, so this is our dashboard. Okay, query editor. So for here uh, here first we have to do what, we have to add a connection. Okay, click on this one, click on connection, and here put this one. Okay, this one also Microsoft provided. Okay, connection URL, and display name like whatever you can give, and by default it is coming as help. Click on add. Okay, now you can see databases are loaded. Okay, it is provided by Microsoft. So first here you can see help is a cluster. Okay, in this cluster there are some databases. Okay, these are my databases. So if I go in hierarchies, here you can see tables are there. Okay, so if I go customers, this is the customer table, and in customers there are all the columns are there. Okay, so I want to run these customers. So what I have to do, suppose in SQL what we used to do, we used to do like select star from customers, right? In SQL we used to do like this, but here what we will do, we will write only this one, customers. Okay, and you can see the intelligence also there. So customers, then run. Okay, so now you can see one error is happening, right? So what it is saying, query executed without a database in context. So what we have to do, we have to click on this one. Okay, then run. We have to select on this one. This is my database, right? So click on this one, it will be highlighted. Then here you can see it is coming as help, then Contoso cells. So in this help cluster, this is my database. So if I click on this one, this database is selected. Now if I run, here you can see it will give me the all of my columns and rows of this table. Okay, so now what we have to do, we will uh, right now Contoso cells is selected. Now if I select this one, find my partner, okay, now here you can see this is coming an error. So if I run, okay, you can see the error is coming because currently I am selecting find my partner. Now if I go back and click on Contoso cells, here you can see Contoso cells is there. If I run in Contoso cells, there are customers tables, then only it will run. So this is the thing. In help is a cluster. In cluster there are database, many databases. So we have to click on that database, and then this database will be accessible. So in that database there are multiple tables. Customers is one of the table. If I only write customers, then click on run, it will give me the whole customers table data. Okay, so we will talk about all those functions and syntaxes in the next video. So thank you for today. Thank you guys. If you like my channel, please subscribe it, share it among your friends. Thank you guys. Thank you.